everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great, and also if you are new to my channel, go and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So guys, here I am back with a new review video. So we all have been using face washes since a long time, and before doing face wash I generally prefer to wash my hands because we apply face wash by using our hands, राइट और अगर हाथ गंदे होंगे तो वही गंदगी वही डर्ट आपके फेस पे लगेगी, जिससे आपका फेस पल्यूट होगा और हो सकता है कुछ ना कुछ इन्फेक्शन हो जाए, राइट। तो मैं जब भी फेस वॉश करने जाती हूँ तो मैं सबसे पहले अपने जाके हैंड वॉश करती हूँ, एंड आफ्टर washing my hands I'll do face wash. But what if you don't need to wash your hands or do all these things before doing face wash? You just need to directly apply it on your face. So I'm talking about Wow Skin Science. They have brought a huge variety of face washes. So today I'm going to review one of those face washes. So I'm talking about this face wash from Wow Skin Science. This is Activated Charcoal Foaming Face Wash. So this face wash is with built-in face brush for deep cleansing. I would like to show you the bottle of this face wash. Here it is. This is the bottle of this face wash I was talking about. So if I remove this, it will look like this. So I was talking about that if you don't need to wash your hands before washing your face, so this face wash will help you. So this Activated Charcoal Foaming Face Wash is with built-in face brush for deep cleansing. So this is a built-in face brush and it is really very smooth. I have tried it out. So I'll show you how to use this product. So let's see it.
Whenever you feel your face is dull, you just need to use this face wash. Wash your face with normal water, then use this amazing face wash from Wow Skin Science, that is Activated Charcoal Face Wash. You can clearly see the foam coming out from this built-in brush. Apply this foam all over your face and you just need to rub it nicely on your face. Rub it all over your face in a circular motion and you will see its magic. You can directly wash this built-in brush with normal water. Now wash your face and you can clearly see its magic. See how bright and clean my face is looking, and I'm feeling so fresh.
So guys, have you seen how easy it is to use this face wash? Also, Wow Skin Science having a great variety of this face wash, like with built-in face brush in it. And you can check it out on their website. Also, I would like to tell you about the goodness of this face wash. So this Activated Charcoal Face Wash is having the goodness of activated charcoal powder and tea tree oil in it, which is really good for our skin. It deeply cleanses our skin and gives us a natural glow. You can see on my face. Also, as you know, Wow Skin Science products are very much eco-friendly. This product is also having no sulfate, no parabens and no extra color in it. It is 100% vegan product, and the best thing about this product is suitable for all skin types. If you're having acne prone skin, then too you can use this product.
You can clearly see on the box of this face wash that it is cruelty free, it is 100% vegan and it is gluten free. Also, you can scan this QR code to check the authenticity of this product. You can clearly see Wow Skin Science is doing their best to save the environment.
Also, I would love to tell you that this product is made in India. You can see on its bottle it is made in India product, and this product is dermatologically tested, so it is absolutely safe for your skin. So what are you waiting for? Go and try out this product from Wow Skin Science. You can buy this product from Amazon, you can buy this product from Wow also, and from various other websites. So I'm going to share the link to buy this product in my description box below. You can check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it will be helpful for you. And yeah, do like this video and do share it if you love it. Lots of love to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.